Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook pechay with egg. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 large bunch of pechay, 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and salt and pepper ready for seasoning. This simple dish is quick to prepare and incredibly nutritious. Next, let's prepare our ingredients for cooking. Start by thoroughly washing your pechay, separating the stems from the leaves. Chop the stems into 1-inch pieces and the leaves into 2-inch sections. Mince your garlic and finely chop the onion. Finally, beat the 2 to 3 eggs in a small bowl, adding a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté the minced garlic until it becomes fragrant, which usually takes about 30 seconds. Then, add the chopped onions and cook them until they turn translucent, approximately 2 minutes. Introduce the pechay stems first, cooking for about 1 minute before adding the leaves to the pan. Once the pechay leaves have slightly wilted, it's time to add the eggs. Pour in your beaten eggs and gently scramble them with the pechay until they are fully cooked through. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Season the entire dish with salt and pepper to your liking. Serve this delicious and healthy pechay with egg immediately as a wonderful side or a light main course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.